Stop saying that you don't know what to say. Meanwhile, you have lots of cakes that you can sell. Are you saying that you don't know how to sell your cakes? Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing Chiamaka of Macarius Cakes and Pastries, and today in this video I'll be sharing with you all 2 important tips that can grow your Instagram page. Or are you interested to grow your followers? If it's something you're really interested to watch, then I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, you all welcome back to my channel. So I'll go straight right into the video without wasting much of your time. But number 1 tip I would love to share is go live. You guys should go live on your Instagram page. Trust me, you see that live video, it's a simple way and the fastest way to grow your followers. But a lot of people see it as, something that is very difficult, because people are like, they are shy in the camera and they cannot face the camera. But the truth is, with shyness help you to pay your bills. With shyness put food for you on your table. Will shyness help you to solve your problems? Will shyness bring your money, bring money for you? Those are the questions you need to ask yourself. Because by the time you have this question in your head, trust me, you have that boldness to go live on Instagram. Because the truth is, it works like magic. Going live on Instagram works like magic, because after your live on Instagram, you see followers, you're getting followers. That is if you're doing it consistently. But if you decide to go live today, and then tomorrow you go live, and then next week you stop, trust me, you might not get the result that you want. So if you're deciding to go live, you need to do it consistently. See, hard work pays a lot. If you want to achieve something and you do not put in the work, trust me, you will not get results. It's just like you're trying to bake a cake now and you're not getting the right recipe. You're not consistent in getting the right recipe. Trust me, that cake recipe will be failing you. But because you have been, consistently trying to make research to get a nice recipe for that particular cake, definitely you will get results, right? So that's how it is for live videos. If you're trying to grow your page on Instagram, I advise you to go live. It works like magic. See, these things are features. I mean, this live video is a feature that has been given to business owners for us to use. It's free. Going live is one of Instagram features, and like I said, it's for free. Uncle Mark gave it to me and you for free. And if you're not using it for your business, tell me, how can you see the result that you want? Everybody likes followers. Everybody wants followers. And if you want that follower, you need to put in the work by putting out great content out there. Besides, I might have a video on how to put out content on your Instagram page. You can check the previous video before this one. If you don't have content on your page, you will not get followers. If you don't go live all the time, you might not get followers. But if you go live consistently, definitely you will get followers. I'm sure you will be wondering, okay, if I want to go live, what do I teach? Because many people are like, I don't have anything to teach on live video. Trust me, there are many things you can teach on live video. For example, you have a cake order you're working on, and you can decide to go live. You can just decide to set up your camera and go live. Just let your audience watch how you're decorating that cake. Or are you trying to bake cake? You can just decide to go live. Let's see how you're baking your cake. It's not left for you to share the recipe or not. But the most important thing is that you are going live. That should be your goal. The most important thing is that you have a goal to achieve. And that's your goal is what? Trying to grow your followers, and at the same time trying to make sales. Because the thing is, if you're using Instagram features a lot, it helps you to make sales, not just grow your followers. It helps you to make sales. Now, for instance, you're saying you don't have anything to teach or to go live. How about you selling your product? Are you saying that you cannot sell your product? Are you trying to tell me that you don't know what to say? Or are you trying to tell me that you don't know how to sell your product to your audience online? These are the things I mean by going live. Most of the time, posting pictures is not enough. But at the same time, going live, when you mix it up with going live on Instagram by telling people what you're selling, even if you have classes to sell, if you're telling your audience that you have cake classes to sell, and by the time you go live, it works a lot. I've experienced this thing last week, and that's why I'm bringing it up here to share with you people. Please, the only way you can conquer that mentality of saying I don't have anything to post is you telling yourself that will shyness pay my bill. If you're saying that you cannot face the camera, ask yourself, will shyness put food for me on the table? Time you start telling yourself all these things, you see the motivation, to go live on Instagram. Trust me guys, it works like magic. Make sure that you're putting up videos goes, video content goes viral on Instagram, because it gives you visibility. That is the word, visibility. Going live on Instagram gives visibility. If you go live on Instagram, your post, as Instagram will show a lot of people your post, and before you know, you start getting followers. You not be wondering, these people, where are they all this while? Not knowing that it was a live video that you did, that Instagram now took to show different kind of people, so that they can follow you. And God so kind, if your content is good on your page, trust me, you get lots and lots of followers. So what are you waiting for? Stop saying that you don't have anything to teach. Stop saying that you don't know what to say. Meanwhile, you have lots of cakes that you can sell. Are you saying that you don't know how to sell your cakes? Are you saying that you cannot say something about your product? Is that what you're trying? Is that what you're trying to say? Come on, guys, go live. Learn to go live and learn to make it become a part of you. You have to be consistent about it. Don't do it today and then you stop. It's a continuous process. It's a continuous process. You are taking it at the same time to grow your followers. You are taking it at the same time to grow your audience. If people don't know you on Instagram, trust me, your live videos, you going live on Instagram, can make a lot of people to know you. I am emphasizing on this live video because it's a whole lot. I've experienced it and I'm trying to share it here so that you guys will understand. It's a whole lot. You have to be consistent about it. You don't have to be shy, please. Shyness will not do you any good. Rather, it will keep you behind. A lot of business owners, a lot of cake business owners that are making it today, most of them is even through live video, because they're always putting up themselves out there. If you don't come out, people will not know you. If you don't show yourself to the world, nobody will know you. Or wouldn't you want people to get to know you and your brand? It's through videos, it's through live videos, putting up videos on your IGTV, putting up content out there that can make people to get to know who you are. Posting up pictures is not even enough. So guys, try to go live at least once in a week, at least 2 times in a week. Every week, try to write out the particular things that you want to probably to teach or to say in your live videos. If you prepare this content for 4 weeks, for instance, now in a month we have 4 weeks in a month, right? Now you can decide to go live on Instagram once a week. As time goes by, you can now increase it, because you've already gotten used to the whole thing, right? Now, for instance, now we have 4 weeks in a month. You can say, okay, let me write out my content. This week I'll go live and tell them how to decorate cake. The second week I might show them. The second week of that same month, I will say, okay, let me sell my product. The third week you could say, okay, let me just freestyle my baking. Let people just by the time you put all this content and say, okay, these are the things I'm going to do for this particular month on my live video. Guys, trust me, you see yourself excelling even without you knowing. And by the time you see, you'll be like, wow, is this how this thing works? I don't know if you guys are following me. So that's what I mean. Prepare your content ahead and go live. Don't be shy. Tell yourself that you can do it. Motivate yourself that you can do it. Tell yourself, encourage yourself. You are your own self-motivator. And nobody can encourage you the way you want to encourage yourself. Tell yourself you can do it. And trust me, before you know it, you see results. Okay? So the other one is Reels. We all know about Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is one of the greatest visibility that Instagram has given business owners. I keep on saying it. All these things are features that Instagram wants me and you to use. If you're not using Reels on your Instagram, believe me, I don't know what to say. There's live video and there's Reels video. Video works a lot than ordinary pictures. This is what I want you guys to understand. It brings sales. It grows your followers. If there are people that don't know you before, it grows your followers. It brings massive sales. I have done it before, and that's why I'm coming here on my channel to share it with all of you. And you have to be consistent. Consistent is the word. Consistency is the word. Consistency matters in our general lives, not only on business, but it matters on our general life. Even if you're trying to lose weight and you are not consistent about eating healthy, trust me, you will not lose weight. So that's how it is in business. If you're trying to grow your page, if you're trying to grow your followers, and you are not consistent in putting out great video content out there, trust me, you will not be getting followers and you will not get sales. And that's why many people always complain, I am not making sales, I am not getting followers, I am not doing this. And have you asked yourself, am I doing the things that I'm supposed to do? Have you asked yourself that question? Am I doing the things that I'm supposed to do? I've shared 2 important tips that can help you to grow your followers and can help you towards make sales, which is number 1, going live on Instagram, at least even if it is once in a week. And secondly, put out video content like reels. It's a great feature for you as a business owner. Do not be left behind, guys. It's time to sit up and tell yourself and motivate yourself that if other people are doing it, why can't me myself do it? Trust me, it works. It works a lot. Let it be your goal. Give yourself a target. Tell yourself, okay, in the month of September, let me try and go live. If you did not see any result, come to me and let's see how to go about it. Just try. At least we're in the 2nd week of September, right? Just try and go live this week, next week, or throughout the end of September. Even if it is once or 2 times in a week, try and write out the things that you want to do. I gave you guys an example. It could be you, maybe if you're trying to decorate a cake, just go live, let people see it. Another thing, it could be you trying to mix your batter, just go live and let's see how you're mixing whatever thing you're mixing. You do understand? So just write it down, and trust me, guys, by the time you keep doing this thing, you see results. As a beginner, start with once in a week. Just start with once in a week, and with time, trust me, you will get used to the whole thing. Do not tell yourself that I'm too shy for camera. No, nobody is shy for, even the ones that was shy for camera, they started from somewhere, and trust me, they are now pros. All these top makers you're seeing out there, do you think they started from somewhere? They have to come out of your shell. You must not stay, you cannot be in your shell and make money. No, you have to come out from your shell and make money. Money is good. Money accelerates all things. Yes, guys, money is good. It accelerates all things, and it solves problem. If you don't want, if you don't need money, then you can stay in your shell. But if you want people to know you, if you want people to know your brand, if you want people to know what you're selling, if you want to grow your audience, if you want to make sales, then it's high time for you to come out of your shell and put out that beautiful content. Put out great video content that will go viral on your Instagram page, because the thing is, you do not know the one that will go viral if you keep on showing yourself out there. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things in this video. So therefore, we come to the end of this video of how to grow your followers, and I hope you benefited from it. So please, if you do enjoy this video and you learned 1 or 2 things, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like this video, guys. That's the one way you can encourage me to put out great content for you as a baker. Also, subscribe to my channel to get notification when I upload a video. You can as well share this video to your different social media platforms. Those that are on Telegram, you can share this video. Also drop a nice comment on this particular video. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have other videos on my channel, cake recipes and other video tutorials that can help you as a business owner. You can take your time to scroll down on my channel to check the one that you want. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much. To my old subscribers that have been on my channel for a very long time, I say thank you for sticking around with me. To the new subscribers, you are as well welcome to my channel. So guys, it's a goodbye from me, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.